Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we will practice writing in English. We will reinforce countries and personal pronouns with the verb to be through active writing.
Great. Writing helps me remember the words.
First activity. Listen and write. You will hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity. Make a sentence. You will create simple sentences with country words.
I am ready to write.
Excellent. Keep your pencil or keyboard ready, and let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you must write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen carefully and write.
Good. Do not worry about mistakes. You can correct them later. Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the complete text for a first contact. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes.
I will try to write every word.
Perfect. Listen first, then write. Let's start the dictation now. I am Anna. I am from Spain, and my friend Tom is from Canada. We are in an English class. He is happy, but he is not tired. They are new students from Japan and Brazil. You are ready to write.
It is easy.
Now you have heard the whole text. I will read it slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's write the dictation.
I am Anna.
I am from Spain. And my friend Tom is from Canada. We are in an English class. He is happy. But he is not tired. They are new students from Japan and Brazil. You are ready to write. It is easy. Well done, everyone. You finished the dictation. Nexo, how did it go? Excellent. Now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, 1 sentence for each proposed word. You can use 20 helper words if you want, and try to use personal pronouns with the verb to be.
So I can write simple sentences like I am or they are.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a clear model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences using the main words and the helper words. Remember, short, clear sentences are perfect for level A1. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Spain. I am from Spain. She is from France. Japan. He is in Japan. Canada. We are from Canada. Brazil. They are from Brazil. Italy. It is a map of Italy.
Great job, Nexo. Your sentences are simple and clear. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice. Today, you practiced countries, pronouns, and the verb to be in writing.
Bye, Emma. Thank you.